In this video, we're going to talk about how you can keep learning and progressing now that you've built this really cool chatbot writing actual JavaScript. The key points are actually down here on this slide, and the most important thing is to just keep going. You've got momentum now that you've built this cool chatbot. So keep learning, keep seeking out tutorials, keep trying things by yourself, keep following those 5 key learning strategies. Make sure that you're writing code. Make sure if you're watching videos, you pause to think about it. Make sure that you engage with questions being asked and you actually think seriously. Make sure that you're experimenting, trying things out. And make sure that you're searching on Google. If you follow those 5 key strategies, you'll do really well. In terms of resources, there are lots of good free resources. In terms of resources, there are lots of good free resources for learning how to code on the internet. Sometimes they're actually quite a lot better than paid resources too. Here's basically what I recommend. So there's Free Code Camp and Exorcism. Google both of them. They both have loads of free resources for learning how to code. But also, I said what's important is keeping going, and sometimes that's hard by yourself. So trying to find people who can support you on this as well. That's one of the reasons why actually I think it's really great to share a chatbot, so you get people who are like, oh, that's really cool, keep going. Because that encouragement is really helpful. And you might find that community, so through Free Code Camp, for example, it's a big site. They've got a community on a site called Gitter, they've got a forum, and on certain cities, they've also got different city-specific Slack groups as well. Exorcism will give you free occasional mentoring when you complete the kind of programming puzzles. This particular video series is produced by Tech Collective. I'm Richard, I'm the founder of Tech Collective. If you want to keep tuned for the more free resources that we release, follow us on Twitter and check out our site for information as well. If you found that you really enjoyed learning to code and you enjoyed this style of videos, then Tech Collective might be suitable for you. So you might want to look at that and see if you want to apply to join as a member. So that's the final message I want to leave you. Please keep going. What you've built is really, really cool. It's a habit that is the most important thing to instill when you're learning to code. The habit of actually writing code and doing it consistently. If you can build up that habit, you're going to do great. So please share also the chatbots you've built with us on Twitter. I'd love to see them, and I'm really excited to see what else you build.